You gonna make it fly? You gotta put the wings on it.
You gotta put the wings going down thing?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Yeah, it gotta fly, it gotta have wings.
What that is?
Oh, it's stabilizer bar. So when it go real fast, it will rip the wings off the plane.
So the wings go up here.
He finally bringing it out and finally finishing it.
Well, you got some shit right there to play with. And you put all that through you out of all this shit.
They can't. I did so much to U.S. customers. I only let get 7 things a month now. I can't get a bunch of stuff in the mail no more. Yeah. I ain't gonna put it all the way in there.
I'm gonna put y'all on YouTube.
And it do like a real airplane, dude.
What is it?
It's a real airplane.
Cut it on. I'm gonna operate it.
Move that thing will cut you though, that blade.
Oh, you have to move.
That blade will cut you. That's a real blade.
Yeah. It gonna cut.
Man, you gotta put it in all the way.
Yeah, it's on fair.
Oh, yeah, my way gonna push it all the way.
Yeah. It's too fucking nice to do half the way. I seen shit like this. You probably paying a lot of money for this.
Yeah, I was telling you, man.
Yeah.
Shit. I'll make them things up, man.
You got patience. I ain't got no patience over here. I'm very unpatient.
He been building on it about 8 months, 7, 8 months.
So all wood, man.
That's how you don't get no time, though. You had this time to build the
I can build a whole bunch of stuff.
Man, so I built an airplane too. I had to sit out King all day.
Yeah, I was at work. When I was at work, when I came home, he had already built it.
So you used to be talking shit to her.
I ain't been right so long talking shit, cuz.
I'm talking about
damn, I miss it.
women. That's what they do, man.
She never talk shit.
Can you back
She got mad at me one time.
Come on, y'all.
Can you back up?
Man.
She got a remote to go to it?
Yeah. I had a wire to the remote.
This chair, you let the chair. You got enough room where it won't hit them, right?
Now I'm gonna hold it down with my foot.
Going in high.
Yeah, we didn't milk.
Oh. Watch the baby. Where the baby's at? Where you get the little mins out the house?
Hold on, man. Hold on.
Is you back there?
Hell no. When you going to go fly it?
Hey, man.
Man.
It's ready to go. That motherfucker ready to go, man. That's ready to go.
He built it.
He built it.
Yeah.
I know he's scared to fly that motherfucker. I would be too.
He can't fly around here no way because the military base.
I always had like going up. I'd be mad at hell that I fly that motherfucker and break. I'd be looking goddamn man.
Okay, you through?
You gotta love it.
You got to. That's a lot of time and some money right there. Shit. Ooh, that's a lot of time and some money right there.